Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the Spray Tower Diverter Nut on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the nut is broken, damaged, or missing, and the spray diverter isn't staying in place. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dishwasher here and pull out our dish rack. And you'll see our spray tower here. It's actually supposed to have the diverter and cap on it. However, it came off somehow. What we're going to do is we're going to open up the cap and we're going to use a flathead screwdriver and we're just going to pry it off like so. And you'll see on the inside there's this nut here, which is actually supposed to hold it on. So this one's probably bad, got stripped or something, that's why it's no longer holding the diverter and the cap in place. So we'll take that out, and now you can grab your new OEM replacement Spray Tower Diverter Nut. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And we're going to place that right on there. Screw it down with our new nut. And once that's down nice and tight, we're going to line up our cap again, and that's just going to go. You'll see there's a hole on the diverter, and we're just going to line up the hole on the cap as well. Push that down, and it should snap in like that. Then we can push in our lower dish rack door, close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.